Just one more block to go.
میدونم. بیا بهترین همبرگر دنیا رو درست کنیم.
But we don't know the secret recipe.
I heard you wanted to make the best burger. I know the secret. Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
First, you start with the patty, sizzling on the heat. Then you get the bun, a fluffy, tasty treat. Whoa! The patty is on the bun. Don't forget the cheese to make it really grand. Melted cheese is the best.
The freshest toppings in the land.
Some crunchy green lettuce. And a tomato and 2 pickles. And a tomato and 2 pickles.
And now for the final secret touch.
The burger is finished. Behold, the world's best burger. So yummy. We're the best burger chefs.
Subscribe for more secret recipes.
Bye-bye.